Afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional. The additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, May the 18th, May the 19th, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, with Sunday, May the 19th, and I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8565. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, so 1 and a 2. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. The 2 and the 3 is already given, so that box would be a 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a could be a 4 or a 5 here. Do we have more triple boxes? No. How about quadruple boxes? I see here a quadruple box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left with 3 should be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to.
What, little one?
Yeah, let me continue. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape here. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. The next shape. How about the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. All right. When you see this Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2, and here also 1 or a 2. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Yeah, in this Z construction, 1 number left should be the 5. All right. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. Then Then these 3 boxes around the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 in the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Well, past the 5 minutes. We have 3 missing numbers here. One of them. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 here and 1 and a 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 there. So 1 digit left should be the 4. So the 1 and the 2 should be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area from 1 and the 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. The other 2 missing numbers in this area are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Overlooked this 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 4, 5. 2, 5. Interesting. This box can be 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. If you place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5 is connected with that box, supposed to 2 and a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be a 2. One box left in this area for number 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left. For the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then this box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 here. Well. 2, 4. Let me think. This box. Overlook this 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 2. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 13 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. And I like this one, yes. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, we pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah. New puzzles. Nope. No, in the evening. Yeah. In the evening we will meet. We have a samurai Sudoku. So tomorrow. This evening the samurai Sudoku. And tomorrow it will be Red Monday. Tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. So, bye-bye for now. Until then, see you later.